This is a dark-eyed junco. Today is January 25th, 2026. We've had at least 10 inches of snow, and it's still snowing and raining, and it's only about 12 degrees Fahrenheit. It is cold. There's a lot of bird activity going on in my backyard and front yard, because I do feed the birds. And I have this heated pet dish, which usually doesn't have that ring of ice on the edge, but being that it's extremely cold, a little bit of it is frozen. Sometimes I take a rubber mallet and break it off. The birds like to sit on those stakes. Sometimes it's, all the stakes are full. The camera is picking up the moisture on the outside of the window. But anyway, they sit on the stakes and then they fly over to the heated pet dish. And sometimes there's more than one bird at the pet dish, the heated pet dish. I really feel for the birds in this cold weather, humans too, but I'm at home. I can't go anywhere. I can look outside, I can shovel, I can feed the birds. You can see there, some of them are up there on the snow. A cardinal was just going to go to the heated pet dish, but it saw my camera lens move and it scared it. That looks like a cardinal. The birds really need to drink in the wintertime, and sometimes they eat snow. There's not a lot of water, open water, for them to drink around here right now. We're lucky. Knock on wood, we still have electric, but lots of other places have lost electricity, and that is not good. We don't have a generator. We live in South Central Pennsylvania, USA. Thanks for watching.